There's a grace that finds us even in the darkest days. I've wandered roads that led me far from home, chasing dreams that never seemed to hold. I've carried burdens that weighed heavy on my soul, but still your love has never let me go. I've stumbled through the valley of my doubt, lost and scared, not knowing how to climb out. But in the silence, I heard a voice so clear, calling me back, drawing me near. Grace like rain falls down on me, washing all my